Good evening, guys. So nowadays, the government of Karnataka and central government gave more holidays. There is no school and colleges. So most of the commerce students and art students are suffering for teaching without expectation. There is no marks. Similarly, the student expecting more and more marks, it is possible by only when the student are understood the concept of different subject. When as a faculty member, so whatever we're going to explain, either effective teaching, some poor student, either weak student cannot understand. So when the student are free, you watch our channel in YouTube anytime, anywhere. We're going to explain simple sentence and easily you're going to understand our teaching. That is helping to you're going to get more marks in final examinations. There is no class means there is no chapter, there is no explanation. So please you come forward, you watch our more and more video by our channel, you subscribe, you get good knowledge from our channel. So good evening for each and everyone, commerce and art student. So already I'm going to explain the concept of productions, the production functions and factors of productions. But once again, I giving meaning what is production, what is the factors and what is the production function. After that, we're going to explain the concept of isoquant, either iso equal product. The production and cost, the both are important for the production analysis in basic economic theory. The production, it refers to the physically input transformation as a transfer to physical output, that is called the production in economics. The physical input means so labor, land, capital and organizations. So when as a producer at a farm, you're going to appoint the four factors in the production process, we get only the different either same level of output a given technology. And four factors like only land, labor, capital, organization, these two like labor and capital we call the primary factors of productions. During 17th century, Adam Smith, David Ricardo, Karl Marx and S.P. Walker, all these economists give more importance to land. So without quality, without fertility, we cannot get any production from agriculture sector. So the primary factors of production is land. After 19th century, so almost all economists, Alfred Marshall, James Keynes and Simon Kuznets and other economists gave more priority for the labor, capital and organization. So without labor and capital, we cannot produce anything. So why means without quality, either with quality of land and labor, physically either mentally. Capital means machine, either tools, either money. Where we going to apply in agriculture sector, we are expecting more and more level of output. But similarly, as a producer at the farm, they're going to expand number of laborer and capital. The output will be constant. So let me going to explain the concept of isoquant. The isoquant depends on only the physical relationship between the physical output and physical input. So without physical input factor, there is no output. So when as a producer you are going to make proper plan, physical either mentally laborer, it can be either she can be produce more and more output. It is possible by only experience, either hard work, either efficient hard work and time. The production function is a indicate land, labor, capital and organizations. These factors of productions we consider land and labor primary factors. So later the capital and organization is the secondary factor of productions. So when we are going to change the scale of input, the output also change. In this theory, means isoquant either iso equal product refers to the set. Set means a group of all combination. There are number of combinations there like A, B, C, D, E. All combination of two input. Two input means labor and capital. These two input give either contribute either can be produce equal level of output. That is called iso equal product either isoquant. The set means a group land and labor, either labor and capital, either labor and organization. These two either a set, all these four factors of production they contribute equal level of output is called isoquant. So first column combination of commodities, second column laborer, third column capital, fourth column output. So combination of commodity because of isoquant it is similar to indifference curve, indifference theory. In this theory, the combination, the first combination, like the producer is going to appoint first combination one laborer, 1 unit of laborer and two either 12 unit of capital. Capital it may be tools, either physical building, either machine, either money. So 1 unit of labor and 12 unit of input, they contribute only 100 unit of output. So the first combination 1 unit of labor, it may be skilled either unskilled. Within short period of time we cannot change the skill either experience labor. So the first combination 1 unit of labor and 12 unit of capital it can be. The producer is going to make proper plan. Second combination like B. Under B 2 means 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 2 unit of labor, both are unskilled laborer, either one is skilled laborer, another will be unskilled laborer. So we taken 2 units of laborer and 8 units of capital. These both are contribute and rate level of output. Second stage also equal. So that is called isoquant, either iso equal product. The third combination, 3 unit of labor and 5 unit of capital, they also contribute only 100. The fourth, D, 4 unit of labor, 3 unit of capital, they can be 100 level of output. Last combination, G, 5 unit of laborer and 2 unit of capital, it can be produced in the 100. Each stage also we consider either we can see the same either equal level of output. So output in this column, we reduce only output. So MR yes, marginal rate of substitution, we encoding only T, technical substitution. So one, there is no changes. Second, 1:2 means here 2 minus 1, we take only 1 unit of, means extra unit of laborer, then the capital will be reduced. 12 minus 8, 1:4. It means we increase 1 unit of labor, so producer or the organizer, it can be sacrificed with only capital. How much? They leaving capital. Then it can increase 1 unit of labor. Again, we are going to sacrifice with only capital. 8 minus 5, 3. Next, again 1 unit of labor is sacrificed with only capital. 5 minus 3 into 2. Then last combination is sacrifice only 1. Means the labor energy come down day by day, either hour by hour. So whatever, either physically either mentally, we are going to very strong. After some time, our energy come down. Similarly, the isoquant also, 1 unit of laborer can be increased, another must will be decreased, but the sacrifice with only capital to labor, labor to capital, both are contribute only equal level of output, is called isoquant theory. This theory we are going to explain with only diagram. In this diagram, we are going to explain isoquant, either iso equal product. So from O to Y, I taken 15 centimeter. O to X, that also 15 centimeter. We mark as it is, so gap between only 1 centimeter. From 0 to means O to 1, O to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But here I taken 2 centimeter gap between each factors input. The first combination 12, so K indicate only capital, L indicate only laborer. So first combination A, this is A, 12 unit of capital, 1 unit of labor. We are going to draw the first combination line. Second time only we taken 8 unit of capital and 2 unit of labor. We draw straight line by scale. Then third one, this is B combination, this is C, 5 unit of capital and 3 unit of labor. We can draw the line by scale. So fourth one, that is D combination, 3 unit of capital and 4 unit of labor. We draw line, straight line by the scale. So as a producer, as a firm, you are going to change 1 unit of labor to capital, either capital to labor. We expect only the maximum level of output. The output they are designed by only the skill, laborer and capital. So capital, it may be money. So many investors, they are going to invest more and more capital on agricultural land. In this diagram, as a producer, it change the proportion as the scale of input, the scale of output also change. For example, so now 1 unit of laborer and 1 unit of capital is going to give only 10 unit of output, means second time how much we change a proportion, means scale, 2 unit of laborer and 2 unit of capital. It may be either 1 unit of capital, it can be only equal. So when we going to isoquant curve, first one, second one, third one, they going to contribute only unrage. So isoquant and indifference curve theory, both are similar. There is no difference. In indifference curve, all combination of two commodity giving equal level of output for the customer, either consumer. But in different combination of two commodity help either giving different level of satisfaction. Similarly, indifference curve represent equal level of satisfaction. Consumer is going to stay point A, B, C, D, E, receive equal level of satisfaction. Then indifference map. So each indifference curve represent different level of satisfaction. But now isoquant, when you are going to change one more unit of labor and capital, so each isoquant represent equal level of satisfaction. It means same level of output. Now another topic is TP, AB, NA. The total product, average product and margin product. TP is the total volume of goods and services produced during a specific period. So total volume is total output, total quantity of goods and services produced by labor and capital a given time. So aggregate, it is total means aggregate output by the factor input produced at specific period of time. That is called total product. The total product equals to L means laborer, number of laborer multiplication average product. When we are going to calculate laborer multiplication average product, we get only total product. Otherwise, the total product we received by when we are going to adding marginal product by extra unit of laborer is called total product. The total product, how do you calculate? For example, we take only table, we go by table. So L, so laborer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So TP. So there is no laborer means there is no out total product. So like only Z into AP, there is no AP. So AP means output also 0, labor also 0 means 0. Suppose TP 15, second 35, third one 50, and then fourth one 40, fifth one 48. So we take an example. In this column, the first we are going to calculate AP, average product. So if you want average product, AP equals TP by Q, either laborer, number of quantity. So TP is 0, labor also 0, means 0 means AP also 0. Then second, TP is 15, L means 1 labor, so 15 by 1 we are going to calculate, we get 15. Then second 35, so 2 laborer, 2 ones are, then 15, 2 7 are, then 1 we get only 17.5 on here. This is 15, this is 17.5. Then this is N. Then third one 50 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 2 is there 20, 2 eights are either 2 5s are 15, 2 8s are either 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 6 again 2 point 16.66. Then next one 40, then 4 we get only 10. Then last one is 48, then 5 8 40, 5 8 40, either 5 9s are 45, again 3 is a point, 5 6 39.6. When we are going to calculate, either find out AP, so TP will be easy. Now we are going to calculate TP. So TP equals L into AP. So L1 into 15 the answer. Then second 2 into 17.5 we get only 35. Then 3 into 16.66, we're going to get 50.